Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited to bring you this tutorial. I'm working with a good friend of mine who's an HR director here in Nashville, and we thought it would be really good to come up with a tutorial series in which we show you a couple of hairstyles in which you can be corporate friendly, but still keep it kind of funky and still be who you are, and you don't have to kind of stifle your creativity, so to speak. So anyway, let's jump right into this tutorial. I'm using all Mielle Organics products, and this shampoo that I'm using at the moment is the Babassu Oil Conditioning Shampoo. I really like this shampoo. As you can see, it foams up really well, and my hair felt really clean and conditioned after using. So on to the next product. I've obviously washed out the shampoo, and now I'm applying the Babassu Oil and Mint Deep Conditioner. I really like this conditioner. Like the smell is bomb, and it feels really good on your scalp. So I'm going to apply the conditioner to all. I have my hair split in 4 sections, so we're going to apply it to each section. Like you see, I'm like really pulling the hair apart. I want it to get all up and through the hair so that my hair would be really nice and conditioned and soft, because I'm going to end up blowing it out in the next clip. So I'm going to make sure that it's applied throughout the hair, twist the hair, and then I'm going to do that to the next 3 sections. Then you're going to see me apply a plastic cap, aka a Target bag, actually the Target bag that I bought home from Target. And yes, I'm applying the plastic bag, and then I'm going to apply a thermal heat cap. You just pop it in the microwave, and I think I'm going to be under this heat cap for about 20 minutes. So anyway, I have washed out the deep conditioner at this point, and I'm going to move on to the next step, which is a light blowout. It doesn't have to be super straight, but we are going to do a twisted bun, if you saw in the very first clip. So you do need your hair to be somewhat straight. So to assist me in my straightening method, I'm going to use the pomegranate and honey leave-in and the pomegranate and honey curl smoothie. And these are both just going to give me moisture, because you definitely don't want to go blow drying dry, unmoisturized hair. So I'm going to moisturize with the leave-in, and then I'm going to apply the curl smoothie. And then I'm going to just lightly blow dry my hair using the tension method on I think cool, which is why I didn't use a heat protectant. So this is not really like an intense blowout. It's just blowing it out just enough so that my hair is straight, so that I can do the twisted bun style. So if you don't want to blow out your hair, you can stretch your hair in a number of different ways. Sometimes I will wash my hair, and then I like these big twists that you see, and that could be enough if you just let it dry and then kind of just comb it out, and that will stretch it out. But I didn't have that kind of time, so I had to go ahead and blow it out. So I am using the tension method, just to reiterate, but my blow dry is set to the cool setting, which is why I'm not using any heat protectant. So hair is nice and stretched, and I'm just going to do this all over my head, and then we're going to move on to the twist. So I am not the best twister, and I tried my best to get a good angle to show you how I'm twisting, but it's just a basic flat twist. So if you know how to flat twist, then you can just bypass this whole little section of the tutorial, because like I said, I really be struggling with my twists sometimes. I actually had to shoot this portion of the video several times before I got it right. So just know that you need a flat twist on both sides of your head, and you're just gonna go from there. You don't even have to watch my twist to help you with your twist, because it might make things worse for you. I'm just being real. So yeah, just twist your hair as you normally would if you flat twist. If you don't know how to flat twist, you can also do, I think it's called a French roll, where you just kind of tuck the hair and roll it underneath itself, if that makes sense. And I've also done that style with the French roll before, and it looks really good also. So there's 2 options for you. You can also braid if you want to. But anyway, moving on to the bun in the back. So it's just, I'm twisting it, and then I'm going to twist it around itself. If your hair is not as long as mine, this style is easily accomplished by just adding some braiding hair. I'm sure, like, I really don't think it would be that hard to adapt to a short to medium length hair. So you know, just do what you gotta do to make it work for you. So I am just gonna basically wrap one twist over the top of the bun, and then I'm gonna wrap the other twist underneath the bun. So this twist is wrapped underneath the bun, and then the twist on the left side of my head is going to be wrapped over the top of the bun, if that makes sense. So I think once you see the end result, then you'll be able to better understand what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm just bobby pinning in all the places that I need pins, because like I said, my twists are kind of like struggle twists sometimes. So I have to pin the twists to make them look a little bit better and a little bit more secure. So you may not need as many pins as I did, but I needed quite a few of them. So as you can see, like I said, so the right twist is tucked under the bun and the left twist is wrapped over top of the bun, and then I basically just twisted everything into place to my liking. And I mean, that's really the bulk of this tutorial, and I really like this style. Like, it looks so good in person. I wore it and it lasts a long time too. I think I wore it for about a week. So yeah, on to the next step. We're going to apply some edge gel, and I believe that is from the Honey and Ginger collection. So as you can see, I used several different collections. I kind of pieced them together. So I'm applying my edge gel, and I'm just brushing my edges down, because you know you want a nice, sleek, polished look. And then I'm going to tie my edges down with a scarf for about 20 minutes. And then I'm going to put my makeup on, and then I'll be ready for my day. So I really hope you like this tutorial. I hope you can see yourself wearing it. And you know, I'm gonna put some lip gloss on, get myself ready for my day. Like I said, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I enjoyed filming it for you, and there will be more to come. So just stay tuned. This is one of, I believe, we're doing a 4-part series. So this is part 1. And you know, we're just trying to get y'all to the point where, you know, you don't feel like you have to wear your hair straight. You can still wear cute, funky styles that represent you as a person. And you know, you can still be your natural self. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I want to thank my girl Cassandra for reaching out to me to do the tutorial, because I really feel like it's an issue that definitely needs to be addressed. And until next time.